So guys, uh, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our EURJPY. So let's see what EURJPY is actually going to be giving us for the day. So starting with the trend, basically I've done an in-depth analysis for you guys for JPY. So if you've not watched the one of JPY, you can check the channel to watch it. Now this is for EURJPY. So let's start with the trend first. We can clearly see that EURJPY, we are in an uptrend move. Our overall movement on EURJPY is to the upside, right? Our overall movement to the upside. So basically EURJPY is on a bullish move. We are very much in a bullish move, right? If you have to zoom it in also, you see that markets literally rallied out to tap its resistance, got to resistance, rejected and jumped to tap our supports, right? Markets rejected from the support and came back to tap the resistance, then also rejected from the resistance and came back to tap our supports. Now, markets eventually was able to rally up, tap our resistance. Guess what market did? Markets rejected and jumped to tap our support level. Now, from this support level, we are now having a rejection. So we would expect this rejection to continue till market is able to hit our resistance level. So that movement will be giving us, if I'm not wrong, between 120 pips. So this is a potential 120 pips you would likely go to grab on this your JPY if you can go in for the buy. Now let's run to the forward time frame right here, guys. This is our first higher high. This is the higher low, right? This is the higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low right here. So an higher low is what market just did right here. So with this higher low, we should expect market to actually push up again. So it is able to form a new higher high. So above all, a bullish move is what you should be expecting for the day on EURJPY. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe, like, share, make your comments also, so you don't miss out on any single bit.